Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video is on the best electric lawn mowers. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and sorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Starting at number 5. The NovorikX Obsidian Series Cordless Lawnmower brings professional-grade efficiency straight to your garage, clearing up to half an acre on a single charge. Built around a robust 60-volt battery platform and a 1200-watt brushless motor, this machine glides quietly through thick, dense grass without the hassle of gas fumes or pull cords. Its wide 21-inch steel deck means you finish your chores in fewer passes, while the adjustable self-propelled drive system lets you match the machine exactly to your preferred walking speed. Whether you are dealing with flat terrain or challenging backyard slopes, this electric powerhouse takes the physical strain out of lawn care. You can easily switch between bagging, mulching, or side discharge to suit changing seasonal conditions, ensuring a pristine finish every time you step outside to groom your yard. Number 4. The Gtech CLM50 Cordless Lawnmower delivers efficient, lightweight yard care without the hassle of tangled cords or gas fumes. Powered by a removable 48-volt lithium-ion battery, this mower offers up to 40 minutes of continuous runtime on a swift 1-hour charge. At the heart of its performance is intelligent cutting technology. The specialized blade maintains a smooth 2800 RPM pace but automatically ramps up to 3500 RPM when encountering thicker patches of grass. Maneuvering across your lawn is seamless thanks to the 42-centimeter cutting width, which strikes an ideal balance between nimble handling and quick coverage. Clippings are neatly funneled into a generous 50-liter grass box, complete with a practical indicator flap that lifts to signal exactly when it is time to empty, keeping your weekend gardening completely uninterrupted. Number 3. The WORX Nitro Cordless Lawnmower provides an efficient way to maintain lawns up to half an acre. Equipped with an upgraded brushless motor and two 20-volt lithium batteries, this push mower balances lasting performance with noticeable power. Smart internal sensors automatically adjust the cutting speed, ramping up when tackling dense patches and slowing down over thin grass to preserve battery life. To keep your choice smooth, the specialized deck design increases internal airflow, successfully preventing frustrating grass clogs while pulling every snippet neatly into the collection bag. You can customize your lawn care by adjusting the single lever across 7 height positions or by choosing between mulching, bagging, side discharge. When the job is done, the entire handle folds completely flat, allowing you to store the machine vertically to save valuable garage space. Number 2. The Greenworks Cordless Push Lawnmower simplifies yard care for properties up to 1/4 acre. Driven by an efficient brushless motor, this machine delivers consistent torque to handle various grass conditions quietly while extending the lifetime of the tool. It operates on a robust 48-volt system, powered by 2 included 24-volt batteries, offering up to 45 minutes of continuous runtime alongside a dual-port rapid charger. The durable 17-inch deck is paired with a single lever mechanism, letting you quickly alter the cutting height across 6 positions to suit your environment. This versatile tool features a dual-function system that supports both mulching and rear bagging to match your lawn care preferences. As an added benefit, the interchangeable batteries seamlessly integrate into a wide ecosystem of over 100 compatible outdoor and power tools. Number 1. The Ego Power Plus Cordless Lawnmower delivers heavy-duty performance that surpasses traditional gas-powered models, utilizing a robust brushless motor that generates impressive cutting torque. This self-propelled electric mower features an intuitive control system, allowing you to engage the drive with your palm and alter your walking speed using a convenient fingertip dial. Designed with a multi-blade cutting system, the machine includes interchangeable lower blades so you can seamlessly swap between high-lift bagging, clean mulching, or maximizing battery efficiency. The bundled 56-volt high-capacity battery provides up to an hour of continuous runtime on a single charge, while the inclusion of an extra backup battery ensures you can handle expansive yards without interruption. Constructed with durable metal alloys and a wide 21-inch cutting path, this quiet powerhouse makes quick work of thick grass.